going to show how to use the Translate First option in Vectorcam 16 found in the Paste dialog. First, I'm going to select this object and then copy it to the clipboard, and then deselect it by just clicking out here and then paste it back. And I'm going to give it a rotation of 45 degrees. And you can see that it's rotated at 45 degrees around the 0, 0 point. Now if I take the new object, copy it to the clipboard, and paste it, I'm going to hit reset to set this back to 0, and give it a displacement of 5 inches. You can see that it took the rotated version and moved it over 5 inches. Well, we can do these both in the same operation. So I'm going to select my object, copy it to the clipboard, paste it again, and do the 5-inch displacement and the 45-degree rotation at the same time. And you can see we have the same result. It rotated it first, and then it moved it over 5 inches. But what if we wanted to do it the other way around? Well, let's see how that works. Let's delete this. Copy this back to the clipboard. Paste it. And this time, we'll give it a 5-inch rotation first. Now we'll copy that and paste it. And give it a 45-degree rotation. You can see now it's been moved over 5 inches first, and then from this position rotated around this 0, 0 point to become up here. Well, now if we wanted to do those two in the same operation, it would be a little bit different. Let's copy this back to the clipboard, paste it, put our 5-inch displacement back in, and we know that if we just say OK to this, that we'll get the first result, where it rotated it first and then moved over. But if we hit Translate First, it'll do it the other way around. It'll do the 5-inch displacement first and then the rotation. And so it ends up there. And that's what the Translate First button does. I hope this has helped. Thank you for watching.